Hello students, I am your biology lecturer. In the previous class we discussed about the chloroplast, structure of chloroplast and function. Okay. Today we will discuss about ribosomes. I already told that in case of prokaryotic cell, the 70th type of ribosome is present. In case of eukaryotic cell, there is a 80th type of ribosome. Okay. What is ribosome? Ribosomes are the granular structures first absorbed by George Palade. Okay. A ribosome consists of RNA. Okay. The ribosomes consist of RNA. Just understand students, consider this is the eukaryotic cell. Okay. In that this liquid which is present that is the cytoplasm. Okay. Many cell organelles are present along with the nucleus. Okay. In that cytoplasm, a very small ball shaped structures are present. Many ball shaped structures are present. Those are known as a ribosomes. Means this structure is made by RNA plus protein. In the sense, ribosome consists of both RNA and protein. What is RNA? RNA is nothing but the ribose nucleic acid. It is one type of the nucleic acid which is present in the ribosome. The ribosome consists of ribose nucleic acid plus protein. Means usually ribosome does not surrounded by any membrane, does not surrounds by any membrane. Okay. Usually there are two types of ribosome, means main types is 70S and 80S. Usually in case of prokaryotic cell, seventieth type of ribosome is present. In case of eukaryotic cell, 80th type of ribosomes are present. Next, all this point we already discussed while discussing the different cell organelles. Then in eukaryotic cell organelle, 70th type of ribosome is present. Okay, remember this one. Then what is this S? I already mentioned that 70 years, 80 years like this. Then what is this S? S is nothing but the here. S is Sedberg unit. Sedberg's unit means it is a sedimentation coefficient. Sedimentation coefficient. Don't get confused, students. This is all about the molecular weight of the proteins and nucleic acids. It is decided based on the sedimentation process, that is nothing but the centrifugation. Adu one process andre based on molecular weight mele decide agtide. Just remember, these are the subunits. Remember, in case of 80 years, 60 years and 40 years subunit, in case of 70 years, 50 years and 30 years subunit. ಇವೆರಡು subunit na plus ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. You can't get any whole number. Okay, ಈ ಥರ 60 ಮತ್ತು 40 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 100 ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ರಿ 80 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It is depend on the protein and RNA combination. Okay, just remember 70 years ಒಳಗಡೆ 50 years, 30 years, 80 years ಒಳಗಡೆ 60 years, 40 years. Okay, this is all about ribosome. Ribosomes are nothing but the small granular structures present inside the cytoplasm, which is discovered by the scientist George Pelled, then which consist of RNA and proteins. There are two types of ribosomes, 80 years and 70 years. 80 years type of ribosome consists of two subunits, 60 years and 40 years. 70 years type of ribosome present in prokaryotic cell, it consists of two subunits like 50 years and 30 years. Okay, this much of information is enough for you guys. Next, function. Function of ribosome is ribosomes helps for protein synthesis. Ribosome is very necessary for the synthesis of protein or protein synthesis. Okay, this is all about the ribosome. Okay, for your syllabus you will not going to learn about the structure of ribosome. Usually the structure of ribosome appears like this. The lower one is the larger subunit, upper one is the smaller subunit. Okay, then after completion of ribosome we have to discuss about another type of cell organelle, that is lysosome. Lysosome. Okay, the lysosome, these are the membrane bound vesicular structures. Means usually the structure of lysosome is simple, very simple. This is the structure of lysosome. Means it consists of only single membrane structure. Means I will write here, lysosomes are single membrane bond vesicular structures formed by Golgi. Remember the structure of Golgi, you can get what is vesicle. Okay, usually while discussing about the Golgi complex, I mentioned that Golgi consists of the flattened sac-like structures, those are considered a cristae or cisternae. Many vesicles that arise from cisternae. These vesicular structures are nothing but the lysosomes. Okay. Then next point, the lysosomes, a common name is suicide bag of the cell. Lysosome or called suicide bag of the cell. Lysosomes are known as a suicide bag of the cell. Okay. Next, the lysosomes consist of many hydrolytic enzymes. Why the lysosomes are considered as suicide bag of the cell? The reason is because it having the hydrolytic enzymes. I will explain the reason later. Just understand, lysosome consist of many hydrolytic enzymes, like hydrolase, lipase, protease and carbohydrase. Means the enzyme which is used for breakdown of lipid. Usually ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡು which ends with ASC, that is nothing but the enzyme which is used to break down the particular product. Like protease adalli, protein in the sense protein, this is the enzyme which is used to break down the protein. Like that, carbohydrates is enzyme, this is an enzyme which is very necessary for break down the carbohydrate. Means I think you can correlate the function of lysosome with this enzyme. Like lysosomes are considered as suicide bags of the cell. Here, due to the presence of hydrolytic enzymes, these are necessary for the internal breakdown or internal digestion. Okay. Then usually lysosome consists of acidic pH. It's having acidic pH. Lysosome having the acidic pH. Then the enzymes which are present in the lysosomes, they are very necessary for digestion of carbohydrate, proteins and lipids and nucleic acids. I will write here the enzymes are present in lysosomes capable of digesting carbohydrate, protein, lipid and nucleic acid. Means usually inside this all the hydrolytic enzymes are present. If any organelle inside the cell, the lysosome present inside the cell, consider this is the mitochondria. This mitochondria is not going to function anymore. That's at the time this hydrolytic enzyme help to digest the mitochondria. Means the lysosomes are necessary for digesting the malfunctioning or misfunctioning cell organelles. I will write the function, then you can get that. Necessary for intracellular digestion. It breaks the or digest ಮಿಸ್ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಂಗ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಏನಾದರೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಿಸ್ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ abnormal cell organelles. Okay, mitochondria suppose ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗ್ದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is not necessary for the cell. That's why at that time the lysosome will help for digest that particular cell organelle and it clears the intracellular space. Okay, this is all about the ribosome and lysosome. Okay, we already completed ER, Golgi, mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosome and lysosome. Please watch the videos regularly, write down the notes neatly, practice the diagram. In this chapter you can get 2 5 marks questions and 2 1 mark questions. Okay, in this in this chapter the diagrams are very important. That's why please practice the diagrams with explanation. Plant cell diagram, animal cell diagram, mitochondria diagram, chloroplast diagram, these are very important diagram. Then explanation, that is the fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane, is very important. Okay, this is all about the cell organelles. In the next class we will discuss another cell organelles which are present inside the eukaryotic cell. Okay, don't skip any videos, watch the videos and write the notes regularly. Okay, we will continue in the next class.